I have the iPad 2. What do you have?
I have the Motorola Xoom, the best tablet available in the tablet market.
That is bullshit. The iPad 2 is the best tablet available. It is a front-facing and a rear-facing camera.
So does the Motorola Xoom. In fact, it has a 2-megapixel camera and a camera flash installed.
So what? The iPad 2 is under 8 millimeters thick while the Xoom is like the thickness of a brick.
No, it's not. The Motorola Xoom.
Just shut up. The iPad 2 is the best tablet available.
Oh really? What makes it so great?
Well, it is the 2 cameras, the inbuilt microphone, it is a multi-touch display and backlit display. It also features the App Store, the largest app store available.
Everything you said about the iPad 2 is the same with the Motorola Xoom except for the App Store. But at least I am not a nerd like you. Only nerds buy iPads.
Don't piss me off. I am not a nerd. As I was saying, the iPad 2 also ships with iOS 4.3.2, the simple yet powerful operating system for the iPad 2.
The Android iOS is a very powerful system as well.
Says who? I have used an Android-based iOS phone and it was so hard even to find the apps. You must so be a nerd.
Look, that's it. I am going.